Here's a couple of nifty tricks for cleaning your greens. Once you've harvested them, brought them to the house, you could put them in the sink, wash them around, and spend too much time drying them off. Or, in the towel, not worrying about the bit of dirt there, and allow them to dry a bit. We can take the butts off and open them up and shake out the hay and any dust, and we give them maybe 15 or 20 minutes to dry. If this doesn't succeed and I'm still not satisfied that my product is clean enough, I can still go ahead, use the colander, and rinse them off in the sink. However, more often than not, by this simple method of opening and drying out the leaves, once the leaves are laid out and dry, I can just allow the dust and the hay to settle out. And in this manner, I can get a clean product.